Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're diving into a critical aspect of SEO that can make or break your online presence: keyword research. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why keywords are so crucial for SEO. Keywords are the words and phrases people type into search engines when looking for information. Properly researching and incorporating these keywords can significantly boost your content's visibility. Now, let's break down the steps for effective keyword research. 1. Identifying your niche. Start by understanding your niche or industry. 2. Brainstorming seed keywords. List down the primary terms related to your niche, these are your seed keywords. 3. Using keyword tools. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs to expand your keyword list. 4. Analyzing search intent. Understand the intent behind each keyword, whether it's informational, navigational, or transactional. 5. Competitor analysis. Analyze what keywords your competitors are targeting. Don't forget about long-tail keywords and variations, these can be real game changers. Long-tail keywords are more specific and often have less competition, making it easier for your content to rank. Now that we have our list, let's organize our keyword strategy. 1. Grouping keywords. Group keywords by relevance and create clusters for your content. 2. Prioritizing keywords. Prioritize keywords based on search volume, competition, and relevance to your content. And there you have it, a crash course on keyword research for SEO. Remember, the right keywords can open doors to more traffic and better rankings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to Coder Squad.